Interrupted with the Excel Library DLL blocking Microsoft Excel engine workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before diving into the manual fix for Excel Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Excel Library, the Microsoft Excel core component. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of spreadsheet calculation logic, cell-linked dependencies, and formula manifests. It acts as the primary data link for Excel automation and high-level analytical data processing. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Excel is part of Microsoft Excel Engine runtime files. A clean reinstall of the current version of Microsoft Excel Engine will repair missing or corrupted components. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Excel library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Manual intervention with Excel Library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Excel Library. If this fix repaired Excel Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.